You're welcome to Airdrop Search, where we bring you quality airdrops and crypto updates. Today, I want to show you quickly how to convert your NFT to X tokens within the X Empire app. When you log in here, you can see that it says, congratulations, all your tokens have been received in the form of NFT. They only gave me NFTs and no tokens. And I've also realized that I wasn't the only person. There are others who have the same experience. So what you're going to do is to click on convert NFT to X. When you enter here, you say how to convert NFT to X. Send NFT voucher to the address. Click to copy. Once you click there, the address is copied. Number 2, it says you will see X on your balance within 24 hours after sending the voucher if the wallet from which you sent the NFT is connected to the on-chain claim. Take note of that. Number 3 says you will be able to withdraw X tokens from NFT only on-chain after 24th October, 12 UTC. The speed depends on network load and technical issues. Then under the important, I will read just the first one. It says you must connect on-chain the same wallet which you use to transfer NFT. Otherwise, you will not see the tokens on your balance. That's very important. Now let's go to our wallet, and I'm using Tonkeeper. So I'm going to open my Tonkeeper. Once it's opened, you head straight to collectibles. That's where you are going to find your NFT if you have any. I have 3 NFTs from X Empire. So I'm going to click on the very first one. The next I'm going to do is to click on transfer. When I click on transfer, I'm now going to paste the address I copied to this place, then click on continue. Remember, you're going to spend 0.01 ton for the transaction to be successful. If you have up to that, you click on confirm and send. Then you confirm the transaction is done. That means it's successful. It's successful. So I will go back and do the second one. If you refresh this page, you will find out that the first one will just disappear. Then you click on transfer again. You paste the same address. Then you click on continue. Remember, you must also have 0.01 ton. Then you click on confirm and send. You sign the contract. Boom, it's done. It's confirmed. So let's go back to our X Empire mini app. You are going to click here on chain airdrop. You have to click here. Then you are going to click on connect wallet. The same wallet that you use to transfer those NFTs. You click on it. Then you are going to click on connect wallet. You sign the contract and it's done. Is done. Then from here you can say this, you can see this method is choosing to withdraw tokens. And when you look at the information, they say October 18, 2024 at 6 p.m. UTC is start of collection of withdrawal requests in on-chain. Then October 24th, 12 p.m. UTC is first on-chain distribution and the rest. So that's just basically what you need to do for you to convert your NFT to X tokens. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.